Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namo Namaste Saraswati Devi Gaurvani Pracharya Vishesh Srimadi Paschat Desh Taryan Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivashari Gaura Bhakta जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. Okay, so yesterday we read till here this beautiful verse. Let us read this verse again and then let's hear it. So this is a verse which was recited by Srila Rupa Goswami in glorification of Mahaprabhu, and this is found in the book Govind Lilamrit. Yognana mattam bhuvanam dayalur ullabhayan apyakarot pramattam swaprema sampat sudhayat bhuteham Shri Krishna Chaitanya mamum prapatye. Let me surrender unto the lotus feet of Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is the greatest, most merciful personality of Godhead. He delivers those who are merged in ignorance and offers them the highest gift, the love of Krishna, and thus makes them mad after Krishna consciousness. So Mahaprabhu to actually now Mahaprabhu is Krishna. And Mahaprabhu is Krishna in the mood of Srimati Radharani. Therefore, most merciful, most munificent. And even for those people who are merged in ignorance, Jagai and Madhai, what were they doing? And what to speak of Jagai and Madhai? If we just think of it, our own life, few years back, how our life was, how our thought process was, and after we came in touch with at least one devotee, and if somebody sincerely takes that association of a devotee, then they will get delivered. Because that is what is called Guru Parampara. Why Parampara? It is very important that we are connected to devotees who are also connected to the senior, like it should be in a Parampara. Every devotee should be connected to their um, guide or mentor, and that is how this Parampara comes. Now, if somebody is practicing individually in their own way and is not connected to any devotee in any higher authority or a senior devotee from whom they are taking guidance or spiritual guidance, then in that case, what will happen? If I connect with such a devotee, I may not really get the complete taste because that devotee is not connected to somebody, or rather is not surrendered to someone. So it is very important. Guru Parampara means when I will mute everyone. So Guru Parampara means when it's a chain. It is not that I practice something individually. I'm connected to another person. That person is also doing something individually by their own whims and desires. Oh, today I want to give bath to my Gopal deity, so let me take Gopal to the in the bathroom, give a nice bath. So that is not as per the instructions, or that is not what our Guru Parampara teaches us. So we should be very careful how we are practicing Krishna consciousness. And the most important aspect of this uh, Krishna consciousness is, or the most important essence of progressing in spiritual life is to be connected to a bona fide devotee who is themselves surrendered to another devotee and taking spiritual guidance. So this is the most important aspect. And when this happens, then there is no one in the entire all the three worlds who can stop that person getting delivered by Mahaprabhu. Okay. After this incident, Vallabh Bhatt invited Mahaprabhu to go to the other side of the Ganges, and the Lord went. So now this is Mahaprabhu was on this side of the Ganges, he was at Triveni, and on the other side, Vallabh Bhatt, who was uh, one of the acharyas of another sampradaya. This sampradaya later is called Vallabhacharya sampradaya, or it is also called Pushti Marg now. So that Vallabh Bhatt, he came and he invited our Mahaprabhu to come to the other side of the Ganges, to his place, to stay in his place. So on this trip, Srila Rupa Goswami accompanied the Lord, accompanied Mahaprabhu. And indeed, wherever Mahaprabhu went, Srila Rupa Goswami would follow him and stay with Mahaprabhu. Because Mahaprabhu felt inconvenienced in crowded places. Because if there is too much crowd, they would look at Mahaprabhu, they would get attracted to gathered there. So Mahaprabhu felt very inconvenienced, and therefore Mahaprabhu asked Srila Rupa Goswami to accompany him to a place on the banks of the Ganges, which is known as Dashashvamedha Ghat. Dashashvamedha Ghat. For 10 days, he instructed Srila Rupa Goswami about the truth of Krishna, the principles of devotional service, and the transcendental mellows, that is, the relationships with Krishna. So, the truth of Krishna, the principles of devotional service, and about the transcendental mellows, the rasas. There are various rasas that Krishna enjoys with his devotees, because different devotees have different rasas, out of which there are five main rasas. Anybody who wants to mention those five rasas, you can raise your hand. Which are the five rasas? Okay, I can see Lal Mohan Prabhu, Reena Mataji. Anybody else who knows which are the five rasas? Okay, I can see one more hand up. All right. Uh, no one? Nandini Priya Mataji, Param Prabhu, Shali Mataji, you probably know about it, but maybe you're not able to remember right now. So I will unmute Reena Mataji. The five rasas, main rasas.
বাৎসল্য রস, দাস্যরস, সখ্যরস, মাধুর্য রস।
Ah, yes, very nice. Very good. So you've missed one, I think. Yeah, you just said four. Hmm?
শান্ত রস।
Yes, correct. So there are five main rasas, primary rasas. There is Shantaras. So Shantaras, Prahlad Maharaj was in Shantaras. No matter what is Hiranyakashipu did upon him, he was just surrendered. Okay, Krishna, my Vishnu will keep him, my Lord will keep him, whatever he does. That was his mood. So Shantaras. Then all the ornaments that are there on the body of Lord Krishna, they are all in Shantaras. The cows that are there, they are in Shantaras. The trees that are serving the Lord, they are in Shantaras. The flute is in Shantaras. So these are all in Shantaras. And Prahlad Maharaj is also in Shantaras. Then there is um, Dasyaras. Can anybody give an example of Dasyaras? Which devotee was in Dasyaras? Anybody else other than who I can see?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes.
Dhanavad Pranam.
Dhanavad Pranam. Yes, clearly Mataji.
Mataji, Hanumanji.
Yes. Yes.
Offered
Hanumanji. Correct. Very good. Very bold. So Hanumanji was in Dasyaras in serving Lord Ram. He never thought himself to be equal to Lord Ram. He never thought himself as friend of Lord Ram. Although Lord Ram wanted that, but Hanumanji could never see himself as a friend of Lord Ram. He always saw him as his master, and he always wanted to serve him. And that is the mood of Dasya Bhav, that we want to serve the Lord and always please the Lord, but never think that the Lord is my friend, or the Lord is my child, or the Lord is my beloved lover. That is not the mood. So that is Dasya Ras. And there is also um, Rahatak, right? Who was serving Krishna, who was serving Yashoda Mai in the palace of Nanda Baba. That in Dasyaras, the two servants of Yashoda Mai. Anybody here remembers the names? Ratak or something. I can't remember the name right now. Anyway, so there were two servants of Yashoda Mai also who were always serving Krishna and Yashoda Mai in Dasyaras. So they were servant of servants. So that is also the Dasya Bhav. Now, next is Vatsalya Bhav. Sorry, next is Sakhya Bhav. Sakhya Ras means the ras of friendship. So can you give some names in the... Okay, I will unmute Mohan here. Yes.
In the beginning, Arjun was in Sakyaras,
Yes.
and
Yes.
then the cowherd friends of Krishna are also in Sakyaras, Subal,
Yes.
Sudam, Madhumangal.
Very nice. Hari Bol. So they are all in Sakyaras. They are all friends of Krishna. Arjun is also friend of Krishna. Madhumangal is friend of Krishna. Sudam. Then there is so they are all the cowherd boys. They are all Krishna's friends. Now they don't see Krishna that, oh, we want to serve Krishna. That is not the feeling. The rasa is Krishna is our friend. Sometimes we'll go and hit on the back. Sometimes we'll fight with Krishna and then pull Krishna's ears. Krishna will pull their nose. That is Sakyaras, friendship. Okay, they are all kids. They are all children. Uh, so that is Sakyaras in the mellow of friendship. Then the next above that is Vatsalyaras. Any who can give me an example of Vatsalyaras? Okay, I will unmute Lal Mohan Prabhu.
Yashoda Maya and Krishna.
Yes, Yashoda Mai, Hari Bol. Okay, anybody else who wants to give any other example of Vatsalya Ras other than Mohan, other than Reena Mataji, other than Kueli Mataji, Shelly Mataji, Param Prabhu, Nandini Priya Mataji. This is very easy. Vatsalya Bhav in parental affection. So parents of Krishna, Rohini Mata is parental, Devaki Mata, Nanda Baba, they are all in parental affection. So that is Vatsalya Bhav. And then above Vatsalya Bhav is Madhurya Bhav. So in Madhurya Bhav is our Srimati Radharani, all the gopis. All the gopis means all the gopis of Vrajdham. Everybody was not in Madhurya Ras. Different gopis, some gopis also had Vatsalya Ras because some gopis they saw Krishna as the child only who would keep the butter and they would wait for Krishna to come. So they were not in Madhurya Ras. So they were gopis of the age of Krishna and younger to Krishna. They are in Madhurya Ras with Krishna. So these are the five main rasas. So Krishna explained about all these things and in great detail to Srila Rupa Goswami. All of this was described in full detail so that in the future Srila Rupa Goswami could distribute the science of Krishna in his book Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. This is also a very important book for all the devotees. Srila Rupa Goswami described this incident in the first verse of Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, in which he speaks of the causeless mercy of the Lord upon him. So we will stop here for today, and what happens next, we'll see tomorrow, Krishna willing. Thank you all so very much for a very wonderful divine association. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। श्रील जय प्रताप स्वामी गुरु महाराज की जय। श्रील
जय
भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय।
जय
निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे।
हरी
हरे
हरी
हरे
बोल
हरे
श्यामा
हरे
कल्याण
हरे हरे
माता जी
बोल
की जय
हरि जय
जय